My name is Paul Bitop. I'm the overall national coach of Rwanda national teams. Currently training the beach volleyball women team.
Concentrate, concentrate. Hi baby, go, go, go.
Our captain, she's a very strong lady. She has been leading this team since when she was in the youth up to now. And as you can see, we have two teams here. We have Team A and Team B, and she is the overall captain. She is able to keep the team together. She is also very good encouraging the other players when they are in the match. This is why I like about her.
Amahirwe muri Olympic turayafite kuko twakoze imyitozo bihagije ku buryo qualification twayibona.